problem was inherited by the immediate past administration and also inherited by this administration. It has to do with an error in the enrollment into the contributory pension scheme. And for this shortcoming, we found ourselves owing their rights from 2016 to date. And it's been a problem at the immediate this facility of 40 billion naira out of the above 50 billion naira that we are indebted to the pensioners. So it is exclusively the local government areas that are borrowing this money. You know, by law, you need the approval of His Excellency and you need the ratification of the House of Assembly. And that is what was sought for, and His Excellency, this present administration, graciously granted this approval and facilitated the ratification of same by the House of Assembly. To them to the tune of about 51 billion naira plus. Out of 51 billion naira, we are paying about 40 billion naira. From that indication, substantial part of this accrued rights will be taken care of. And don't also forget that we are leveraging on the fact that the immediate past administration of Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa extended the retirement age of teachers with additional 5 years. It is this advantage we are taking. We hope that within this period, we will liquidate our indebtedness to them fully. And we hope that those that we are shortchanged will be paid the actual amount that they are indebted to. And those that are overpaid will be made to refund that amount, and will ensure that the actual amount will be paid. We hope to save some funds from this forensic audit, and we also re-inject these funds back into the payment of the accrued rights. And it should be noted that no dime out of this amount is going to the local government coffers. No dime is going to the state government coffers. All of this sum will be paid directly to the pensioners.